You're watching Explore to Shine with Anu.
Before proceeding to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. With no further delay, let's quickly dive into this video.
This video is the second session of InDesign. We have covered 4th, 5th and 6th chapters of InDesign, that is working with text tools, introduction to threaded text, applied transformation tools. The first section, text frames connected to another text frame, is called dash frame. A. Threaded. B. Connecting. C. Linked. D. Combined. The right answer is threaded. Text frame connected to another text frame is called threaded frame. Fill with placeholder text option lets you insert dash text. A. Copied. B. Dummy. C. Formatted. D. Hyperlinked. The right option is dummy. Fill with placeholder text option lets you insert dummy text. Any continuous text followed by enter key is a dash. Word. B. Sentence. C. Paragraph. D. Column. The right answer is paragraph. Any continuous text followed by enter key is a paragraph. Dash feature automatically corrects spelling errors and common capitalization as you type. A. Check spelling. B. Autocorrect. C. Change case. D. Dynamic spelling. The right autocorrect feature automatically corrects spelling errors and common capitalization as you type. Moving on to the next one. Dash is a type of justification in some cursive script related to Arabic. A. Kerning. B. Kashida. C. Leading. D. Tracking. The right option is Kashida. Kashida is a type of justification in some cursive script related to Arabic. Dash option creates first letter of a paragraph in a bigger size. A. Drop cap. B. Scale. C. Caption. D. Indent. The right answer is drop cap. Drop cap option creates first letter of a paragraph in a bigger size. To move text frame using the type tool, hold the dash key while dragging. Alt key. B. Control. C. Shift. D. Spacebar. The right answer is Control key. To move text frame using type tool, hold Control key while dragging. Dash click a handle on an overset text frame to fit all the text in the frame. Single. B. Double. C. Triple. And D. Right. The answer for this, double click a handle on an overset text frame to fit all the text in the frame. Dash option is used to make the text even at the bottom of a multi-column text frame. A. Align. B. Balanced column. C. Indent. D. Kerning. The right option is balanced column. Balanced column option is used to make the text even at the bottom of a multi-column text frame. Dash command is used to insert text from other packages. A. Place. B. Fill. C. Export. D. Fill with placeholder text. The right answer is place command. Place command is used to insert text from other packages. Skewing is also called as dash. A. Flipping. B. Shearing. C. Scaling. D. Moving. The right answer is shearing. Skewing is also called as shearing. Dash option slants an object or text along its horizontal axis. A. Skewing. B. Scaling. C. Flipping. D. Tilting. The right answer is skewing. Skewing option slants an object or text along its horizontal axis. Dash panel displays a number of characters, words, lines and paragraphs in a text frame. A. Word count. B. Page. C. Info. D. Layers. The right answer is Info panel. Info panel displays a number of characters, words, lines and paragraphs in a text frame. Dash is also called as false italic. A. Rotating. B. Scaling. C. Positioning. And D. Skewing. The right answer is skewing. Skewing is also called as false italic. The next one, the shortcut key to open story editor is dash. A. Ctrl Y. B. Ctrl E. C. Alt Y. And D. Ctrl Shift E. The right answer is Ctrl Y. The shortcut key to open story editor is Ctrl Y. Misspelled words are underlined while typing by enabling dash option. A. Autocorrect. B. Dynamic spelling. C. Thesaurus. D. Check spelling. The right answer is dynamic spelling. Misspelled words are underlined while typing by enabling dynamic spelling option. Forced line break is also called as dash. A. Soft page break. B. Hard page break. C. Soft return. And D. Hard return. The right answer is soft return. Forced line break is also called as soft return. Dash command is used to insert text from other packages. A. Place. B. Fill. C. Export. And D. Fill with placeholder text. The right answer is place. Place command is used to insert text from other packages. Dash mark on the bottom right side of the text frame indicates the text overflows. A. Minus sign. B. Plus sign. C. Asterisk sign. And D. And sign. The right answer is plus sign. Plus mark at the bottom right side of the text frame indicates the text overflows. Next question. Text is given false italic with dash tool. Skew. B. Flip. C. Position. And D. Scale. The right answer is skew. Text is given false italic with skew tool. The shortcut key to send to back is dash. Ctrl Shift, close a bracket, Ctrl Shift, open bracket, Ctrl, open bracket, and Ctrl, close bracket. The right answer is Ctrl Shift, open bracket. The shortcut key for send to back is Ctrl Shift, open bracket. Moving an object in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction at a fixed reference point is called dash. A. Flipping. B. Scaling. C. Rotating. And D. Moving. The right answer is rotating. Moving an object in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction at a fixed reference point is called rotating. Hold down dash key while dragging to resize the frame and the content. A. Control, B. Shift, C. Alt, and D. Control plus Shift. The right answer will be Control. Hold down the Control key while dragging to resize the frame and its contents. Combining multiple objects into a single unit is called dash. A. Merging, B. Joining, C. Combining, and D. Grouping. The right answer is grouping. Combining multiple objects into a single unit is called grouping. The next session, we have fill in the blanks. Here comes the first question in that. The shortcut key for type tool is dash and the shortcut key for type on path tool is dash. Next one, the frames that are connected to another frame is called dash and the text that flows through one or more threaded frames is called dash. You can apply paragraph attributes either using dash or in dash. The answer for these questions, the shortcut key for type tool is T and for type on path tool is Shift plus T. The frames that are connected to other frame is called threaded and the text that flows through one or more threaded frames is called story. You can apply paragraph attributes either using paragraph panel or in control palette. Moving on to the next questions. Double click on a word will select a dash and triple click on a word will select a dash. The shortcut key to select all is dash and for deselect is dash. You can move the text frame using dash tool and dash tool. The right answer for these questions, double click on a word will select a word and triple click on a word will select a line. The shortcut key to select all is Ctrl A and for deselecting is Ctrl Shift A. You can move the text frame using selection tool and type tool. Dash and dash options is used to adjust the space between paragraphs. Next one, you can set drop cap to the number of dash and number of dash. You can use dash to apply automatic page number and the shortcut key to add current page number is dash. Answer for these questions. Space before and space after options is used to adjust the space between paragraphs. You can set drop cap to number of characters and number of lines. You can use master page to apply automatic page number and the shortcut key to add current page number is Ctrl Alt Shift N. The next question. Dash option is used to set line spacing and dash option sets the space between two characters. The two types of kerning are dash and dash. Dash option adds or removes space between two characters and dash option is used to adjust space for an entire block of selected text. The right answer for these questions. Leading option is used to set line spacing and kerning option set the space between two characters. The two types of kerning are optical kerning and matrix kerning. Kerning option adds or removes space between two characters, and tracking option is used to adjust the space for an entire block of selected text. Dash scale makes text wider or narrow, and dash scale makes text taller or shorter. Next one, dash is also referred as runaround text, and dash is also called as shearing. Dash tool is used to add non-printing notes to text, and dash tool is used to tilt the object. The answer for these questions: horizontal scale makes text wider or narrow, and vertical scale makes text taller or shorter. Text wrap is also referred as runaround text, and skewing is also called as shearing. Note tool is used to add non-printing notes to text, and shear tool is used to tilt the object. Next one, dash is a style variation for a given character in an open type font. The object that text wraps around is called dash. The left side of the story editor displays dash, and the right side displays dash. You can edit text in dash or in dash view. Glyphs is a style variation for the given character in an open type font. The object that text wraps around is called wrap object. Left side of the story editor displays paragraph style, and the right side displays editable text. You can edit text in layout page or in story editor. Next question. Dash indicates how much text is filled in the frame, and dash indicates where text is overset in story editor. Dash option lets you search for a particular word, and dash option lets you replace a particular word. Dash case capitalizes the first letter of each and every word, and dash case capitalizes all the selected text. The answer for this: vertical depth ruler indicates how much text is filled in the frame, and line indicates where text is overset in story editor. Find option lets you search for a particular word, and change to option lets you replace a particular word. Title case capitalizes the first letter of each and every word, and uppercase capitalizes all the selected text. Moving on to the next set of questions. Dash draws a line below the text, and dash draws a line through the text. Dash option reduces and raises the text above the baseline, and dash option reduces and lowers the text below the baseline. The next one, the two types of line break are dash and dash. Answer for these: underline draws a line below the text, and strike through draws a line through the text. Superscript option reduces and rises the text above the baseline, and subscript option reduces and lowers the text below the baseline. The two types of line break are forced and discretionary. Dash is also called as shearing, and dash creates a mirror image of an object. The two ways of flipping an image are dash and dash. In rotation, CW means dash and CCW means dash. Let's see the answer for these questions. Skewing is also called as sharing, and flipping creates a mirror image of an object. The two ways of flipping an image are flip horizontal and flip vertical. In rotation, CW means clockwise and CCW means counterclockwise. The next question. Dash trims away unwanted areas of an image and dash means changing the height and width of an object. Resizing the frame resizes the image within the frame when dash option is selected. And to create a copy of the selected object, hold down dash key while dragging. The next one. Dash scaling maintains the original proportions of an object when resized, and dash scaling does not maintain the original proportion of the object when resizing. The answer for these questions. Cropping trims away unwanted areas of the image, and resizing means changing the height and width of an object. Resizing the frame resizes the image within the frame when dash option is selected, that is auto fit option is selected. And to create a copy of selected object, hold down Alt key and drag. Proportionate scale maintains the original proportions of an object when resizing, and disproportionate scaling does not maintain the original proportion of the object when resizing. The next one. Dash option applies the last transformation of dash option applies last single transform operation to single object, not to selection of objects. Dash option apply last sequence of transform operations to the selection, and dash option applies last sequence of transform operation to single object. The next one. The shortcut key to group is dash and for ungroup is dash. The answer for these questions. Transform again option applies last transform operation to the selection, and transform again individually option applies last single transform operation to a single object. Transform sequence again option applies last sequence of transform operation to the selection, and transform sequence again individually option applies last sequence of transform operation to single object. The shortcut key to group is Ctrl G and for ungroup is Ctrl Shift G. The next question. The shortcut key to lock the object is dash and to unlock is dash. The shortcut key to hide the object is dash and for unhide is dash. The shortcut key to group is dash and for ungroup is dash. The answer for these questions. The shortcut key to lock the object is Ctrl L and for unlock is Ctrl Alt L. The shortcut key to hide the object is Ctrl 3 and for unhide is Ctrl Alt 3. The shortcut key to group is Ctrl G and for ungroup is Ctrl Shift G. Dash icon is displayed on the upper left side of the text frame and dash icon is displayed on the lower right side of the text frame. The shortcut for semi-autoflow option is dash and for autoflow is dash. Primary text frame automatically create new pages by enabling dash option. You can view threads by selecting dash option. The answer for these questions: input icon is displayed on the upper left side of the text frame and output icon is displayed at the lower side of the text frame. The shortcut key for semi-auto flow option is Alt-click and for auto flow is Shift-click. Primary text frame automatically create new pages by enabling Smart Text Reflow option. You can view threads by selecting Show Text Threads option. Here comes the third session, true or false. The first question: text frames can be placed on master pages. True or false? The answer is true. Yes, the text frames can be placed on master pages. The next one: you cannot type text on open path. Is it true or false? The answer is false. You can type text on open as well as closed path. Clicking 4 times on a word will select the entire frame content. True or false? The answer is false. Clicking 4 times on a word will select the entire paragraph. With selection tool, holding Ctrl key while dragging any of the frame handle will scale the text within the frame. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Holding Ctrl key while dragging any of the frame handle will scale the text within the frame. Text formatting and graphics will not appear in Story Editor. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Text formatting and graphics will not appear in Story Editor. You can open several Story Editor windows simultaneously. Is it true or false? Yes, you can open several text Story Editor windows simultaneously. The answer is true. You cannot view and edit table in Story Editor. True or false? The answer is false. You can view and edit the table in Story Editor. Hidden characters do not appear in preview mode. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Hidden characters do not appear in preview mode. The next one, the shortcut for fixed page autoflow is Alt-Shift-click. Is it true or false? The answer is true. The shortcut key for fixed page autoflow is Alt-Shift+click. You cannot transform a logged object. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. You cannot transform a logged object. You can transform fill patterns and PostScript screen angle. Is it true or false? The answer is false. You cannot transform fill patterns and PostScript screen angle. By default, the reference point is located at the center of the object. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. By default, the reference point is located at the center of the object. Hold down Shift key to scale proportionally. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Holding down Shift will scale proportionally. Resizing and scaling are same actions in InDesign. True or false? The answer is false. Resizing and scaling are different actions. Arrange options lets you change the stacking order of object. True or false? The answer is true. Arrange option lets you change the stacking order of the objects. Hide option is used when you don't want the object to move. True or false? The answer is false. The next one, hidden object can be printed or exported. True or false? The answer is false. Hidden text or will not be printed or exported. Modifying a path or its points is not recorded as a transformation. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Modifying a path or its points is not recorded as transformation. Lock option is used when you don't want to move the object. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Lock option is used when you don't want to move the object. So last session we have questions with multiple answers. Here comes the first question. Mention the options available in type on a path option dialog box. Effect, flip, align, to path, spacing. The options available in type on a path option dialog box are effect, flip, align, to path and spacing. The next question. List the options you can change for type on a path. Swap slides, left, center, right. Dash values for spacing option removes the extra space between characters positioned on sharp. It is higher values for spacing option removes the extra space between characters positioned on sharp curves. And the options you can change for type on path are swap slides, left, center and right. The next question, mention the different types of justify alignment. We have justify with last line aligned left, justify with last line aligned right, justify with last line aligned center, and justify all. There are dash number of total text alignments. So how many text alignments are there? Totally we have 9 text alignments in InDesign. The next question, write the shortcuts for the following in InDesign. Left align, right align, center align, justification, and change to. The shortcut key for left align is Ctrl-Shift-L, and for right align is Ctrl-Shift-R. For center, it is Ctrl-Shift-E. For justification, we use Ctrl-Shift-J, and for change to, we use Ctrl-F. Mention the different types of indents. Left indent, right indent, first line left indent, last line right indent. Dash is a type of justification used in a cursive scripts related to Arabic. It is Kashida. Left indent, right indent, first line left indent, last line right indent are the different types of indents. The next question, mention the options in text frame options. Columns, number, width, gutter, balance columns. We also have inset values and vertical justification. The options in text frame options are columns, number, width, gutter, balance columns, inset values, and vertical justification. Mention the options you can set in paragraph rule dialog box. Weight, type, color, tint, offset, and you also have indent. The options you can set in paragraph rule dialog box are weight, type, color, tint, offset, and indent. The next question, mention the different types of text wraps option. Wrap around bounding box, wrap around object shape, jump object, jump to next column, no text wrap. The different types of text wraps are wrap around bounding box, wrap around object shape, jump object, jump to next column, and no text wrap. Mention the scope of search in find and change dialog box. All documents, documents, story, to end of story, and selection. The scope of search in find or change to dialog box are all documents, documents, story, to end of story, and selection. The next one, the different types of change case are uppercase, lowercase, title case, sentence case. Change case option is in dash menu. The change case option is in type menu. And the different types of change case are uppercase, lowercase, title case, and sentence case. List the non-printing characters. Space, tab, end of paragraph, end of story, and index markers. The non-printing characters are space, tab, end of paragraph, end of story, and index markers. The next one, mention the different options in insert break character. Column break, frame break, page break, odd page break. We also have even page break, paragraph return, forced line break, and discretionary line break. The next one, mention the different methods of text flow. Manual text flow, semi-auto flow, auto flow, fixed page auto flow, dash reflow option is used to automatically add pages when flowing text in primary text frame. So smart text reflow option is used to automatically add pages when flowing text in primary text frames. Transformation means moving or positioning resizing or scaling, rotating, skewing, and flipping. Transformations mean moving, resizing, rotating, skewing, and flipping. The next one, list the options to apply the same transformation. Transform again individually, transform sequence again individually, and dash will cancel all the transformation applied to an object. Clear transformation will cancel all the transformation applied to object, and the options used to apply the same transformations are transform again individually, transform sequence again individually.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.